so I got this can organizer from Amazon. It was Simple Houseware, that's the brand. And then I got these labels from, I think the brand is called, what is it? Talented Kitchen. It's a little shop on Amazon, and I got these labels, and then these spice labels off Amazon. I got these little mason jars for the spices, which I've already washed. I got those from Walmart. And then I got these canister things. I think these were actually like $7 and something cents. And then I got these from At Home. These were $12.99. So that was actually a good deal plus a military discount. Same thing, $12.99. It's the same thing. And then I went to the store. These are the same ones. I just opened these and washed them. The only thing I don't like about them is how they have these little splotches on them, but that's why I'm going to spray paint them black. Yeah, these are $12.99. I went to go pick up 2 more of them because I wanted more of them. And then I also got these ones from At Home too, to put the cereal in, probably. And these were like $6.99 each, I think. But I'm scared to pick this up. They're like $6.99. Yeah, $6.99. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I'm about to open them up and wash all of them. Okay guys, so I have these little bins right here. As you can see, they have this little like lattice effect. Anyways, they're like see-through basically. So I can't obviously put labels on here or they're gonna come off. So the next thing you're gonna need is like a label holder thing to go on here, and I don't have any, and I'm not gonna buy any. So I thought, why not create one right here? And I found these wood little chip things that I got from Michael's, just if I wanted to make some crafts, and I found this perfect for it. And then I also found these little clip things that I bought for holding papers. And so I was like, oh, it's perfect, so I can put this on here. But I don't know if I want it like this because it looks a little ghetto. I might try another way, but we'll see. You'll see in the end. Okay, so now I put up this organizer, shelf organizer, And this is how I have it so far. I'm not finished with it yet, but this is what I have so far. I'm putting like oils, vinegars, and seasonings and condiments on here. And then this is what I have so far for this. Just putting all the organizers, just playing them up here. And this is what I have so far. The next step is to put the stuff in the organizers. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so I just put one of the ingredients in the containers. By the way, I spray painted them. It's not the best, but it's gonna work. You know, the colors that I'm going for. So yeah, I put the brown sugar in here, and so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the brown sugar labeling, and I'm gonna put the brown sugar labeling on the containers. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh wow, look at these gorgeous. Okay, this was so difficult, but I slanted it. I don't know if you guys can see it, if it's the right way, but I put it slant ways. I don't know if it's coming off camera good, but I just did it slant ways, and that's how I'm gonna do the rest of them slant ways, because if I do it across, it's not really gonna fit good as well. So I'm just gonna put all the ingredients in these and then put the labeling on it, and then I'll come back. So this is the finished result. We have a lot of space left, by the way. Down here we had the broths and the vinegar stuff, oils. We have condiments, seasonings, more seasonings, more seasonings, more condiments, and then we have grounded flax seeds and chia seeds. And then I put the cans up here because I had no other. They didn't fit anywhere else, basically. Yeah, they didn't fit anywhere else. And then I had chips, pretzels, and then 2 cereals. And then I had 2 empty ones because I didn't really have that much. So yeah, 2 empty ones. And then we had the sugars, and then we had things over there like nuts, and then baking powders, baking soda, polenta, marshmallows, and just a whole bunch of other things. The main ingredient stuff that we use. And over here you got a big container of Oat Bay. You got the bacon, the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, which is really cacao powder, but put in there. Similar chocolate chips. They didn't have a white chocolate chip one, they just only had 1 chocolate chip, so we already know what that is, you know. And then we have the food storage for just random food storage. And then we have treats that have lots of sugar in it. Snacks have chips, nuts, and just extra stuff. And then this and that, which is pretty much breaded things like toppings, you know, bagels, tortillas. And then you have like your little drinks, a lot of space, napkins, trash bags, mop and broom. And then we have like extra stuff over here, and then paper towels. Sorry, not toilet paper. So that's pretty much it. The pantry looks so much better. It's making me happy just staring at it, you know? Look at a little overview. Let's get a little overview of it. Ooh, yes. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay fresh and so clean. Until next time, bye.